Welcome to PUBL 483, or to our last module here at PUBL 483, the interagency exercise. I want to just talk about three main issues from here on in. First, I do want to have that job talk that I've mentioned so far. We're going to look at doing that mid-August after the exercise is done, or first week in August or so. It'll be an Adobe Connect session, which means it'll be live, so you'll just log in and you can look at me, and we'll do it real time. And I want to just answer your questions in that respect. I think as tuition-paying members of Penn State, you get the education, which is part of it. But I think most people are in this program to try and network and try and advance their careers in one form or another. So I think I'm obligated to at least push you in that right path. So again, I appreciate we have enough people who are interested in it. What I'll talk about is probably military transitions. I'll talk about veterans issues or veterans getting job issues. We'll talk about the intelligence community. We'll talk about getting jobs in the larger DHS enterprise, and most importantly, how to leverage this degree to your next job or assignment. And I think we'll have a good time doing that. So half hour or so, and I ask again, if you have questions, send them to me so I can incorporate them and get back to you. So secondly, the assignment, the Presidential Security Study Directive, I apologize, I thought I was clear on it, but maybe I wasn't, because about 3 or 4 people had questions on it. So that means that probably 15 of you weren't aware of it. All I'm looking for, and I'm not going to, you'll get the grades back. Grades are going to be pretty easy. All I'm looking for is that you use the format that I sent out and then just showed me the objectives of this scenario, of this exercise ahead of time. So you've thought through that, you've read the scenario exercise, and you can take it from there. So that's the whole point of that, and it's not going to be graded very hard. It's just so you can. It's almost as an acknowledgement that you understand the scenario from going forward. And then finally, the exercise. So the exercise is going to be a week, or every week there's going to be something new. There's going to be both group talking points based on the agencies I've broken you into, as well as individual talking points. And those are the big issues. You're going to use the chat rooms dedicated in your scenario to come up with group talking points, which you'll be graded on as a participation grade. I'm looking for about a page, if that, on bullet points, on talking points as a group, that each one. So when you go to the meetings, the NSC meeting, the principals meetings, deputies meetings, and then the NSC meeting, you'll have what your agency is trying to accomplish based on those weekly vignettes you get. So that'll be the key points. So that'll be about a page, and then individually you'll give talking points no more than a half a page or so, bulletized, derived from those, even distilled down a little bit more from the larger exercise, the group exercise ones. The one thing I want to ask is that if you can get on the box.com voting. I was having a little bit of technical difficulty, so I think it works. If it doesn't work, we're not going to do voting each scenario. We'll just go with the talking points. So if you can try it and then just acknowledge this email or acknowledge this video with those talking points, and then we can just take it from there. So I want to make sure that's clear from end. So just to go over again, every week you'll get the scenario. You'll choose a leader who's going to be the representative of the committee, and then you'll do a group talking points, about a page, and then individual talking points, about half a page as well each week. So that'll be the scenario, and that should take us to the end of the course. If there's questions or issues, please let me know, and that should cover it.